Hi, this is knex guy 12, and this is my knex crossbow thing. It's giant with the stock. Pretty nice. The power behind this is like really good. And I'm going to be shooting these blocks over here. Actually, that's a lot of blocks. 7 blocks. The reason I did that is so I can't really miss them like fast. Okay. So there we go.
You're gonna be shooting them in different angles, right?
Yeah, I'm shooting to different angles.
So our first angle we're gonna be right here.
Watch out for the slime block. Terror that I hit. Hopefully I hit a block. Whoa.
Where did that one go?
One of them flew. I'm not sure what that went.
Did it make any damage?
I think there's some damage.
Alright, let's look at
This
this one
block
right here.
flew like the farthest. Got a little damage on it.
And this one right there.
Oh, this one. But I cannot find where that other block went. I saw one of the blocks. That was the block that probably got hit.
It went there. No, it's not there.
Well, it went somewhere.
Alright, I want you
Okay.
to do it again.
And now there was 6. Oh wait. Huh. There's 7 still. What happened to that other thing?
The
Could it be
bullet.
the bullet. Don't need to worry, I'll probably find a bullet. Wait here.
So where else can they go?
Canada. Okay, now I'm going to proceed
So
this
this
way.
time the angle's gonna be like right next to him, so
Yeah, so. Bunch of different angles. Barrel's curved. Weird. Wow, that really stinks. Hey, I'm gonna redo that sock. It's something that screwed up with the rubber bands. You know
oh,
how
one
it
piece
crosses
came off.
that. Yeah. That's why it didn't work. That was pathetic. I guess you can't trust this gun in a war. More for videotaping shooting targets. Here's how you load it, by the way. Get the little bullet. Slide it right in. It's loaded.
No, wait. Okay.
I hope it works. Okay, here we go. Hold on. I'm just getting a good angle so I can aim at it.
There you go.
I think that one that went the farthest is probably the one that I hit.
So there it is over there.
Yeah.
Got a little
These
dent.
blocks are tougher than...
The Jenga
These are like
blocks.
the older Jenga blocks. These are the newer ones. The
Alright,
newer
this
ones
time
are
I'm
bigger.
gonna be holding it from here. I'm actually stand so I don't get hit and it hurts really bad.
Good luck. I once got shot in the finger and stomach. Instant.
Then how does it look?
Pretty nice. From the ceiling. Let's get it on the ceiling. 3, 2, fire. Wow.
That one actually made a dent in the wall. Look at that. Oh, that.
Oh. Yeah, he hit a Jenga block. And I'll show you the damage. Oh, hold on. I dropped it. I'm not sure. Okay. I think it was, yeah, this was it. Okay. I'm gonna do a domino pull. It does not work much like dominoes because it'll just like go right through all of them. It won't hit the first one you stop. It'll just go boom. Okay, I'm gonna put the gun up close. A bit closer than I was before. Actually, a lot closer. Because the closer it is, like the easier the target would be to hit. If I'm far away, it might take longer. Okay, bye. I don't like counting down. Yeah, I'm not sure which one it hit. Oh, here it is. Instant kill. I'm not sure if you can see that little dot right there. Like, got blue the hole. The hole is blue. This is like the blue tip.
Oh,
That's
yeah.
weird. Okay. Well, that's my knex long bow, crossbow. I'm not sure what the name is, but you could pick the name. Or just leave a comment if you have a good name or any questions, or if you just want to comment how cool it is and awesome. Okay, bye.